Today we are at the Trivelles on New S Promenade in Blackpool, which is virtually across the road from the Mirror. I booked a twin room, so we got, as you can see, twin beds. Lovely cushions below. A little bit soft. Let's check the bed. Yeah, mattress is clean. Lovely headboard. And attached to the wall. We've got plug sockets, 2 double plug sockets with USB charging points. Got a lamp. See if it works. Yeah, it works. So yeah, let's check this bed as well. Yeah, all clean. Lovely glittery mirror. Bedside table. Bit not dirty, but a little bit dusty. So not cleaned off enough. But yeah. So got 2 towels on each bed. Basically a hand towel and a bath towel. I've got a TV. Check if it works. Don't know if that's on or not. Let's have a look. Yes. I can't see no light.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Yeah, works fine. Oh, it's smart TV as well. So, and then we've got a wardrobe with some coat hangers. Got these lovely curtains. And look clean. And then you've got this netting, which, yeah, so you can plug the socket down there, and then, of course, you sit there, like enjoying the sea view, and just show you, that's where the mirror ball is, and then windows that you can open as well, and kettle. See if it's clean enough. I can open the lid. Yeah, bit of slime scale. Then you got milks, coffee, sugars, brown sugar, white sugar, and of course teas. But yeah, and then we've got full length mirror as well on the back of the door with a couple of hangers. Let's have a look in the bathroom. Right, so you've got the shower head that looks clean. Yeah, love to see that. Because you're looking in some hotels and they look absolutely disgusting. I wouldn't want to shower in them. Yeah, it looks a bit old to shower, but shower head looks quite new. And then you got handrail there. Looks clean on the floor as well, on the shower floor. But the tiling they've done, I don't know if you can quite see, let me zoom in a bit. Yeah, isn't quite flush to the top of the ceiling, as you can see. So, but it's quite clean. And then you got the reasonable clean, as in don't look too dusty. And you've got toilet, clean toilet, little bin, toilet roll. We've got body wash, hair and body wash, white tea and jasmine, and hand soap. Sink looks clean as well. But yeah, and the floor looks clean. And you've got a little hook on the back there. So yeah, be grateful if you could give me a like, thumbs up, yeah, and subscribe to my channel. And I hope you really enjoyed watching these video tours, especially the room tours. So please give a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.